Hey you guys, so LA Colors was so kind to me and sent me a bunch of their Halloween kits, such as this one, and I thought it'd be super fun to attempt to recreate her look using this kit, and this kit is called Afterlife. Yeah, this will be super interesting, definitely entertaining for you guys because I'm not a special effects makeup artist by any means, but anyways, without any further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright, just opened up the kit, you guys. So I think let's first start with the eyeshadow palette. This will be super interesting. So I am looking at her picture. Looks like she's got a purple eye, smoky eye going on. So we'll try to do that. Love LA Colors, but y'all, we're not using this. We're not using that. We have our other brushes. Y'all, you guys be kind with me. This is not a makeup tutorial by any means. Also, this is like a fun, you get to watch and laugh and hopefully be entertained and I put a smile on your face type of video. Alright, so I'm going to take the two light brown shades and pop it in my crease. Now, let's go in one of these purple shades and pop it in my crease as well. Bring it a little lower. Now I'm going to take this pink shade right here and place it over the purple I just added. I don't normally play with black eyeshadow, so this will be super interesting. Now I'm going to take the red and add it to my outer V. Now for the moment of truth. We're going to take this black. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wow, adding a matte black to your outer V immediately makes your eye look very like sultry. Alright, so now I'm going to take one of these shimmering shades. Let's do this silverish one and pop it in the center of my lid. Okay, now I'm going to take the purple shimmer shade and also add it. Alright, so the eye look is definitely not complete, but this is what we're working with right now. I got a purple smoky eye, at least that's what I went for. This palette isn't the most pigmented as I thought it would be, but I mean it's there. It's not like it's not there, but you know what I mean. Anyways, moving on. Now, okay, so I'm using this look as like some inspo as well as the front of the package. Alright, so now, what do I want to do? Now I think actually we need to add some foundation so then I can start sculpting out my face and making it look like a skull. So, we do not have foundation in this kit, so I'll be, oops, a brush fell down, so I'll be right back. And just like that, we have some foundation. Actually some BB cream, but same difference, right? So now I want to finish up the eyes and add something to my lower lash line because we need some color there, right? Let's first take one of the purple shades. Now let's go in the black. Alright, lower lash line, kind of smoked out, right? I mean, to me it looks smoked out, but maybe to you guys it's like, girl, did you add anything? But I promise it's there. I'm going to add actually this yellow shade. Wow, will this mean that we used every shade in this palette? This yellow shade and pop it in my inner corners. Okay, now let's work on the face. Let's start sculpting out my face. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this part's about to be scary. This is when I mess up. Alright, so I don't know if I'm supposed to be using the eyeshadow palette, but you know what? We got a black shade and a brown shade. I'm going to mix the two and go in the hollows of my cheeks. It's just so interesting. It looks like just a straight line. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's supposed to. I mean, does it look kind of curved? Maybe? Wow, that looks really weird. And now I'm gonna add some shadow to my forehead because that's what it looks like she has going on. Oh my gosh, you guys, how am I doing? Give this video a thumbs up if you think I'm doing okay. Or just give this video a thumbs up if you support the attempt. All right. Oh, I hope I look okay. Now we're gonna take this pencil eyeliner and attempt to draw this nose thing. What do we think? Do I look like a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer or skull? Okay. So now let's add the mouth bones. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna go for this type of mouth. More like a scarecrow, I feel like, but hey, looks easy. All right, here's what we're working with right now. What do you guys think? Do I look like a dog, a scarecrow, or a skull? Okay, we're not done though. We're not done. We have to take the lipstick, and then at the end, I will take these false lashes that came in the kit and add them to my eyes, but I'm saving that for the last part of this look. That applied on really nicely. Very pigmented and bright. And I kind of like what she did in her video. This is on LA Colors Instagram feed, by the way. She took one of the shadows from the palette, one of the purple shimmer shades, and popped it on the center of her lips. Wow. It's kind of messy though. But yeah. Wow. Okay. Final touches are these lashes. So I'm going to apply these on off of camera and I will be right back. Alright you guys, are you ready for the final reveal? What do we think? How did I do? Rate or give me a score from 1 to 10. 10 being the best, like you killed it. 5 being, okay girl, I see you. And 0 being like, no. Yeah, let me know how you think I did. I think we did really well. Like, this is my first time, like literally first time doing a skull look, first time doing the Afterlife look is what they call it. Yeah, what do we think? Also, I did end up applying different falsies. I'll be honest with y'all, I just wasn't feeling the LA Colors one, so I applied on some Lilly lashes in the style Miami. Then I added some highlighter, I was gonna say glitter, highlighter from Becca, the gold lava one. I think it like came out last year. But yeah, this is the final look using the LA Colors Halloween kit in Afterlife. You guys, I was like kind of worried. Like I was like, can we really create this look using this kit? And you guys, we can. And y'all, look at how much this kit costs. Freaking only $6. Well, $5.98, but you know, I'm sure with tax, like $6. So yeah, I'm really happy with how this came out. I mean, I feel like I look like Mickey a little bit, but then when you see the whole picture, like, oh, okay, I got you. I got you. But yeah, so this is the final look. Or should I not be smiling? Alright you guys, well that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me attempt to create or recreate this look and play with the LA Colors kit called Afterlife. If you guys enjoyed it, give a girl a thumbs up if you did. And if you guys want to see more of this face, we do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle related videos over here on this channel. Then definitely press the subscribe button down below. It's red. Join the family, become a bestie, and turn on that post notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Y'all, I am so happy about this look. Alright guys, I love you guys so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye! Does it look like I'm looking into your soul?